Google recently unveiled the latest generation flagship Pixel 8 series globally. Continuing its tradition, the search giant is expected to announce the mid-range affordable offering of its flagship Pixel 8 models. The Pixel 8a will likely arrive next year as the successor to the current Pixel 7a at the company's annual I/O Developer Conference. Now, months ahead of the launch, the Pixel 8a has surfaced in leaked renders giving us a look at the device. Right off the bat, the Pixel 8a features more rounded corners on all sides compared to its elder Pixel 8 Duo. The upcoming phone also seems to have a tall aspect ratio and less width compared to the Pixel 7a. The back panel retains the horizontal bridge with pill-shaped cutout housing 2 camera sensors. The device has a slim profile and it is seen in a peach color option. On the front, the Pixel 8a has a center-aligned punch hole cutout. A thick bottom chin is also noticeable. The screen will reportedly measure 6.1 inches. The smartphone has a volume rocker and power button on the right side, whereas the left edge has a SIM tray slot. The bottom of the device is home to a USB-C port and stereo speakers. The top of the phone also confirms the presence of an ultra-wideband antenna and an earpiece. In August this year, a Google phone codenamed Akita appeared on the Geekbench benchmarking platform. This was expected to be the Pixel 8a. The listing revealed an underclocked version of the Tensor G3 Society paired with 8GB RAM and running on Android 14 OS out of the box.